In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install CrookCatcher app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you have been trying to install this app but you are unable, then just follow these steps. First, you'll need to go back to your Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store and make sure you are logged in with your Gmail before you download the app. However, if you are unsuccessful while logged in, then go to your profile icon here on Gmail and then scroll down to settings. From settings, look for network preferences, and down below you can see we have various options. Look for this app download preference. Here, choose this option, the first option, over any network. Sometimes it might be set by default to over Wi-Fi only. Change it to over any network and then OK. So this will ensure you can download and install apps via the current network you are connected to. From here, you should be able now to download your app from Google Play Store. However, if you can still download this app from Google Play Store, then the problem might be with Google Play Store itself. For that, you need to troubleshoot Play Store by accessing its app info page. To do this, just long press on your Google Play Store and you should see app info. If you don't see this, you should see the name of the app or even a settings gear around here. Tap on any of this to access Google Play Store. Alternatively, you can access Google Play Store by just going to settings, and from settings, go to apps, then manage apps or all apps, and then just search for Play Store here like that, and you can see Play Store is here. If you tap on it, you'll be taken to app info page. Here, first go to force stop. This will stop any background activities that were running that might be hindering normal performance of this app. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache and finally OK. Now you'll need to restart your smartphone, and once you have restarted your smartphone, go to Play Store, open it. And now I'll activate search and search for our app. So I'll search for CrookCatcher app, and here it is. And now if I tap on it, I'll proceed and install and see if the problem has been fixed. And look at that, now I'm able to download and install CrookCatcher app. If you can't still download the app at this point, then you might want to free up space if you don't have enough space by deleting unwanted or unused apps and files from your smartphone before you can install your app. So let me know which of the methods was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise,